So once we have the data brought into our ArcGIS map, we want to kind of centralize it in one location. So we're going to fill it into a geodatabase. So over in your catalog, depending on where you saved your project, like I have mine on my computer on my desktop, it's called Final Project here. Yours might be under the project tab, I'm not sure. But mine is under the computer. And if you expand this final project, you'll notice there's a .gdb file in there. That's the geodatabase. And a geodatabase is just a container that keeps all of the different data sources all together as one piece, and that helps the project or the map function the way that it should. So what we're going to do at this point, notice we have monuments in there currently, but we are going to add in some of these other things that we dropped into the map that came out of other files. So they're kind of separate to this project folder. We're going to add those into this geodatabase. So what we're going to do is over on the item. So for example, I have utility lines. These are green. I'm going to right click on that and go to data and export features. And we can give that a name. It's just like with the spreadsheet with the points in it. It gives you the full file name here, but you can shorten that down to what it actually is. And then click OK. And you'll see that it's turned into a feature class and added into that geodatabase. If you have DXF files in here, if you are an AutoCAD or a Carlson user, this is going to apply to you. You want to find that listed in your contents catalog or your contents tree over here. There's a little node for you to expand that. And once it's expanded, you want to find the type of object it is. So for example, my boundaries are polygons. So I'm going to find the odd item that says polygon. I'm going to right click on that, go to data and export features. And then the same thing, we can change the name down to what it actually is. For this, it was boundaries. I'm going to do that. And then click OK. And then boundaries are added over here into this geodatabase. So this is going to be helpful whenever you submit the project or try to transfer it or anything like that. It keeps everything housed together that you're going to need. Once you've exported all of these items out to your geodatabase, you can get rid of the extras in this tree over here. So for example, I have boundaries in here now as a feature class. I don't really need this DXF file, so I can right click and remove. And that kind of cleans it up a little bit. Also, utilities, it kind of doubles things up because it creates a feature class and some of the stuff you've already dropped in. So you can remove duplicates, and you'll just keep doing that to clean up the drawing.